Hello everyone, here Smriti. Welcome to Physics Fact. Previous class we discussed lens formula, that is 1 by V minus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Now here we discuss magnification and some numericals. Here in case of linear magnification, it is the ratio of size of the image to the size of the object is called as linear magnification. Size of the object is denoted by HO and size of the image is denoted by HI. So linear magnification, that is denoted by small m, that is size of the image by size of the object, HI by HO. Okay student, in the previous class we discussed that the triangle ABC and triangle A prime B prime C, these two triangles are equivalent to each other. Triangle ABC and triangle A prime B prime C similar. So we got that A prime B prime by AB is equals to CB prime by CB. Okay. A prime B prime by AB is equals to CB prime by CB. That means A prime B prime, that is height of the image, AB, that is height of the object. So we got height of the image by height of the object is equals to CB prime, that is image distance, CB, that is object distance. So magnification M equals to HI by HO, or the ratio of image distance to the object distance. Okay student, this one is the formula we got. Now we discuss for different case, that means for convex lens we got real image, then what is the magnification? For convex lens if we got virtual image, then what is the magnification? Okay, so in case of convex lens, when we got real image, then what is the magnification? That we know that M equals to HI by HO is equals to V by U. So what is HI here? The sign convention. Here M equals to HI, that is HI below the principal axis, sign convention, that is negative. Then HO, that is sign convention, because of that height of the object is above the principal axis, so HO, that is positive. And object distance U, that is sign convention, negative, left of the lens, and image distance, that is positive. So put all that sign convention here, we got M equals to HI, that is minus HI by HO, or equals to V by minus U. Okay. But as we discuss about virtual image, so as we discuss about for virtual image, we know that M equals to, that is HI by HO is equals to V by U. So put the sign convention here also. So here in case of virtual case, okay, that may be in case of convex lens or concave lens, but image distance, object distance, both are negative. V is negative, U also negative. Okay, because object and image both are lie in same side. So object and image both sign convention negative. Okay, and height of the object and height of the image both are above the principal axis. So both having sign convention positive. Yes. Now you put all the sign convention here. You got the M equals to, okay, HI, that is positive, HO positive, then minus object distance, that is negative, and image distance, that is negative. So negative, negative cancel. So here you got M equals to HI by HO is equals to V by U. Yes, but here you got M equals to minus HI by HO is equals to V by minus U. That means in case of convex lens, if you got real image, then that magnification is negative. But if you got virtual image, that may be from convex lens or maybe from concave lens, that magnification, that is always positive. Okay, virtual image magnification positive, real image magnification negative. I think you clear about this formula. If your magnification is positive, then we got virtual image, object and image both lie in same side. If magnification is negative, we got real image, In this case, image which is produced that is in opposite side of the object. Now go to example 1. Here the question, an object 5 cm high is held 25 cm away from a converging lens. That lens is a converging lens. Okay. Next, height of the object, that is height of the object 5 cm. That means HO, that is 5 cm, and held 25 cm away from the lens. That means object distance, that is 25 cm. Due to we put the sign convention, so that is minus 25 cm. Okay. Find the, here the focal length is also given, that focal length f equals to 10 cm, and the question is find the position size of the image, and is the image is a real one or virtual one. So students, we know that formula, that lens formula. In our previous video we discussed about that in details. Then 1 by v minus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Here students, for convex lens, the sign convention, that is always positive. Okay, we determine 1 by v. So here 1 by v equals to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Okay, put the value, that is 1 by 10 plus, that is 1 by minus 25, and simplify this one. So you got 1 by v. Okay, this one equals to 1 by 10 minus 1 by 25. Then further you simplify this one, you got that 1 by v equals to, you simplify this one, okay student, and you got 3 by 50. So what is v? That v equals to 50 by 3. Okay, as that v value is in positive sign, that means image is produced in opposite side of the object. Object distance, that is minus u. So image must be produced in the opposite direction. Here is the image distance. Now, that as image is produced in opposite side of object, that means image must be a real one. Okay. Now we discuss that what is the size of the image. We know that m equals to hi by ho equals to v by u. Put the sign convention. Hi we don't know. Okay. Then ho that is 5 cm and above the principal axis, so that is positive sign. V, that is 50 by 3 divided by u, that is minus 25 cm. You simplify this one. Okay. Next here hi equals to, that is 50 divided by minus 25 into 3, and 5 is divided here, go to this side. Then 5 into 5, 25, 5 divided by 50, that is 10. Then hi equals to minus 10 by 3, and simplify this one. Further you got, that is hi equals to minus 3.3 centimeter. Okay student, as because of hi, the height of the image, that is in negative sign, that means we know that as height of the image, that is in negative sign, that means that height or that image must be below the principal axis. This one is the height of object above the principal axis. This one is the height of the image below the principal axis. Okay student. Next we go to another problem. Now go to another question. An object 60 cm from a lens gives a virtual image. Students, we got virtual image both in case of convex lens and concave lens. Now, here we got virtual image at a distance of 20 cm in front of the lens. Here object distance is given, image distance is also given. What is the focal length of the lens? And the lens is a converging or diverging lens. Okay. So here object distance u equals to 60 cm. Because of sign convention, object distance, that is always negative sign, u equals to minus 60 cm. And image distance v equals to 20 cm. And here due to image is a virtual one, that means that image is produced in the same side of the object. So sign convention negative. Now we put this lens formula. Okay, what is lens formula? That is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, then you put here the value of V and U. 1 by minus 20 minus of 1 by minus 60 and simplify this one. Then 1 by F equals to 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by 60 and further you simplify that you got 1 by F equals to, that is 1 by minus 30. That means F equals to minus 30 centimeter. As focal length is negative sign, what do you know that? That in case of convex lens or converging lens, the focal length that is always positive, and in case of diverging lens, the focal length is always negative. Here the focal length that is negative. So the lens is a concave lens or diverging lens. Okay students, here we got diverging lens. The object is here and image is also produced in the same side of the object. Clear? So students, here we cover lens formula and magnification. In next class, we discuss about power of lens and combination of lens.